please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Of the morning remains the big deal that we have seen in the telecom space with Reliance Jio buying up or signing a binding agreement to buy the telecom assets of Reliance Communications. Nitin Soni of Fitch Ratings has joined us on the phone line with his take. Nitin, good morning. Will this mean a large debt burden for Reliance Jio, you think? I mean, first of all, what are you placing the deal value at? 20,000, 24, 23,000, 25,000?
Yeah, we don't have any visibility on the valuation, but it looks like around that range because it encompasses not only the spectrum assets but also the tower and the fiber and the node infrastructure which our Comm had. So it could be around that range.
Okay, so therefore the view on our Reliance Jio, would it be an inordinate burden?
No, I think, we rate Reliance Industries at BBB- with a stable outlook. They have a good, robust balance sheet, so I don't think such burden on Reliance Jio is not going to make any dent on the balance sheet. But I think overall the spectrum assets and the fiber infrastructure which Jio will be getting is a very important asset for its long-term investment in the telecom industry, given fiberization of towers and fiber to the home network. And, the fiber infrastructure plays a crucial role in providing the telecom services and the enterprise services, which are quite a sticky business when you provide services to business.
Okay, so no debt burden for Reliance Jio and a better fiber network. Nitin, what about pricing power? Will this deal help give better pricing power to Reliance Jio?
No, I think pricing power will come to the industry gradually. Our view is that we have recently revised the outlook on telecom industry to stable. We had a negative outlook in 2017. And we believe that at some point of time, Jio will start changing its approach towards farming its large investment on telecom. So it will gradually increase its tariff. And recently there was a New Year promotion which came out at 199 and 299 rupees, which is significantly higher than the average revenue per user of 150 rupees. So we believe that gradually they will start increasing tariff, remove all the discounts and promotions, and that will turn the wave in terms of pricing power coming back to the incumbents and Jio.
Okay. What would your view be on our Comm itself in terms of its ability to finance the balance debt?
So we actually have withdrawn the ratings on our Comm. It was restrictive default after following they stopped paying to their lenders and they defaulted on the coupon on the secured bond. But I think it's definitely a positive announcement for our Comm. They will get this 20,000 crore to 24,000 crore to repay to the lenders, good for lenders as well. But I think the rest of the asset might take some time to monetize because the DAKC land, which is a big piece of land, and I don't think any big real estate developer in Delhi or Mumbai would have the balance sheet to buy such piece of land. So it might take much time to actually realize money from that land unless they start developing some commercial or residential infrastructure there. But it will take time to get money out of there.
Okay. So what about, you said that banks will have a relief. Generally, is your view on Indian banks likely to improve, especially because this is one of the deals that's getting sorted out? Some more could get sorted out in the NCLT.
So I'm a telecom analyst. I think you need to speak to my bank analyst. I think they will definitely say that it's good for banks who had exposure, especially for State Bank of India and Axis Bank.
Sure. Nitin, just coming back to this deal, the indicative sale value is around 25,000 crores. If we go with that figure, then what is your, back of the envelope calculation on the value of the assets and whether they've paid a premium or not?
See, I think it's difficult to calculate premium on this deal because, Jio, only these assets made sense to Jio. I wouldn't have been optimistic if, somebody else like Bharti or Voda or Idea would have bought those assets. Given Jio is the only telco which is rolling out 4G on 800 and 850 megahertz. So and the spectrum of Arcom is mostly in that bandwidth. So for Jio, it makes a perfect sense to acquire those spectrum assets, while the other incumbents are rolling out 4G at 1800 plus 2100. Secondly, as you know that the Mukesh Ambani's management, which started this business, would have the greatest visibility on these assets because they were actually the team who created these assets. So they would know the actual value of these assets, including the fiber and the node infrastructure which they have. And secondly, the existing business of Arcom, which includes the undersea cable business, they could definitely find value creation from that business because they could target some of the international customers like Facebook and Google, which need services all the way from US to India. Okay. So they have the undersea cable and now the fiber infrastructure as well. So it doesn't look like a premium, but these assets are definitely going to add value for Jio.
Okay. Well, finally, do you think with this deal getting done, even an Aircel may find buyers?
Tough to say. I mean, Aircel, I think, spectrum definitely has value, and I would guess some of the incumbents other than Jio would be definitely find value to buy spectrum assets of Aircel.
Okay.
But it's tough to say how much of their infrastructure assets are important for any incumbent because,
fair enough,
that would be a duplication of such assets.
All right. We'll leave it at that. Thank you very much, Nitin Soni, for joining us. So I don't think anybody is worrying about our Jio's balance sheet or